Hey, hello everyone. This is the part 3 of National Income Accounting. In this video, we will be talking about the two-sector economy, three-sector economy, and the circular flow of income and expenditure of four-sector economy. First of all, let's begin with the two-sector economy. What is two-sector economy? Two-sector economy only consists of business sector and the household sector, where it ignores the money flow from the government and the foreign sector, and it's an unrealistic model, and there is a closed economy because there is no foreign sector, and its assumption would be in the exam we could explain likewise. This economy consists of household and the business sector, number 1 point. Number 2 point would be there is no government intervention. Number 3 point will be closed economy, and number 5 point will be there is no international trade because there is a closed economy, and all the income is spent by the you know household sector in the consumption, because and there is no saving at all because there is no financial market, so no one can save and invest the money. And another is household sector are the owner of the factor of production, and it is supplied by the factor of production. And number last would be producer hire factor of production from the household because they are the owner of the factor of production. So on the basis of this assumption, we can present a circular flow of income and expenditure of two sector economy diagram. Like it will be here on the left side it will be household, on the right side will be the household on the left side household, on the right side business. So here from the household sector like this, it will go to the business sector where there will be the factor of production because they are the owner of the factor of production. The household sector, they are the owner, so they will hand over that factor of production is land labor capital organization to the business sector, and when they do hand over, in return they get a factor of income, which is in terms of rent, wages, interest and profit. So through that, when they get the income from the business sector, so they spend that same income while purchasing some goods and services. So when they purchase goods and services from household sector, when they produce things from the factor of production, they those goods and services flow from business sector to household sector. So for that, they there is the payment of goods and services which is done by the household sector to the business sector, because if they purchase something then they gotta pay something. So this is the normal sector, which is two sector economy, and yeah, it's important. Likewise, as I said, circular flow of income and expenditure is a very important question that it will be asked in 10 marks in our exam. And the next one is three sector economy. In here, three sector economy, there is only one difference, that would be government sector. So there will be the government intervention, and this economy consists of household, business and government sector, where there is a closed economy as usual, no international trade, no import and export, and there is a huge restriction on import and export. Okay, that's the point. And if there is a government intervention, then obviously government would impose taxes and subsidies on on the people, right? So they would be like household sector only household sector pays the direct tax, whereas the next point is business sector pays the direct and the indirect tax, where government imposes tax and subsidies on business sector, and there is no international trade. And there is one thing that government hand over government helps the household sector by providing them wages, salaries and the transfer payment. So everything is normal, and there is a financial market which is like saving and investment there, but it is not well managed in this sector. But in the our next part, which is food sector economy, that consists of food sector, household business, government, and the foreign sector. So in this sector, the financial market is well managed. It's one of the assumption. It's an open economy, and there is no restriction on import and export. There is free economy, open economy. We can do the international trade, foreign trade, and balance. And there is a perfect competition in both like internal and the external market. And yeah, the financial market is well managed. There is a minimum government intervention where like household sector export capital and labor, or labor or capital, whereas business sector exports goods and services. And from the foreign sector, the remittance comes to the household sector. Okay, that's one of the point. All right guys, this is it for the video, and this were the circular flow of income and expenditure of two sector, three sector, and four sector economy, where we studied about the in the two sector, government in the two sector, household and the business in the two sector, household, business, government in the fourth sector, household, business, government, and foreign sector. Alright guys, this is it for the video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.